Snakes, sneaky and slithering, are a fascinating group of reptiles. They're found almost everywhere on Earth, except for a few cold places like Antarctica. Snakes are not limbless lizards. They evolved from a leggy lizard ancestor millions of years ago. Over time, their legs disappeared, and their bodies adapted to move in a unique way. They slither on their belly, a method called snake locomotion. What's the secret to their slither? It's all about their scales. Snakes have a special arrangement of scales that allows them to move smoothly and silently. They have one row of scales on each side of their body, unlike most lizards and fish that have overlapping scales. Snakes come in a variety of types, from the tiny blind worm snake, which is less than 7 inches long, to the reticulated python, the longest snake species, reaching up to 27 feet. One of the most intriguing things about snakes is their ability to swallow prey much larger than themselves. This is possible due to their flexible jaws and the loose skin on their necks, which can expand to accommodate large meals. Did you know that some snakes are venomous? Venomous snakes have specialized fangs that inject venom into their prey. This venom can be used for hunting or self-defense. But don't worry, most snakes are harmless and play a crucial role in controlling rodent populations. Snakes are also known for their incredible sense of smell. They use their forked tongues to pick up chemicals from the air, which are then detected by the Jacobson's organ in their mouth. This helps them find food, mates, and even burrowing prey beneath the ground. In many cultures, snakes have been symbols of mystery, power, and healing. In reality, they are fascinating creatures that continue to captivate us with their slithering secrets. So, the next time you see a snake, remember it's just a misunderstood creature doing its thing in the wild.